Hey, Mark Nelson from marknelsononline.com. Have you ever wondered what you need to be doing every day to grow your business, to build your business into six figures, to build it just like what you've seen other people building your business? Have you ever felt stuck and not knowing what to do? Well, stick around, because that's exactly what I'm going to share with you. The daily routine you should be doing to grow your business. Hey, before we get started though, click on that subscribe button and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because what I do is share tips and strategies every day with people to help grow your business. And when you subscribe, click on that little bell so you get notifications from me on when my videos are coming up. That would just really help you in your business. So today what I want to talk to, how to use your daily routine to grow your business. And not only to grow it, but build it to a very successful six-figure business. So I'm going to share with you the steps you need to be doing daily to grow that business. The first thing, and part of this is my daily routine, so if it doesn't make sense to you, you got to use your own. But what I do before my feet hit the ground is I wake up in a attitude of gratitude. I really do. I just wake up and I'm very thankful that I'm here, but I'm thankful for my family. I'm thankful for the people who watch my videos, but I'm also thankful for the people that I get to serve during the day. See, because the more gratitude you have, this is a really weird thing, but the more gratitude you have, the more you're going to let in where you can grow. The more things that are going to come to you, the more gratitude you give out. So this industry, this business, it's all about serving people. So be grateful for the people you get to serve. Now, the next thing I do, and what you should be doing is, I don't care if you want to call it a vision or meditation, is I really take some quiet time and really see where I'm going. My beliefs. I see my vision, my perfect day. What I want to accomplish in business, where I want to be in 5 years, where I want to be next year. And before I do that vision, what I really do is I read some affirmations, some very positive affirmations. Like, I am strong, I am powerful, I am successful, I am a money-making machine, I am here to serve people, I am an outstanding recruiter, people follow me because of the content I put out. So those are some affirmations. If you need more of those, I got a great blog post on the affirmations you can be using. I'll put that in the description below. The next thing after my affirmation is my vision. I start focusing on those, and then I got my day going. But now, I know you might not like to hear this, but what I also do, and you need to be doing, is working on yourself, meaning personal development. And I wasn't a firm believer in that right away, because I was in the retail world. I didn't work on myself. I tried to make money. But if you are trying to build your business, and I'm assuming that's where you're heading to, you need to work on yourself. You need to become the leader people want to follow. And that's really easy. Some people will say read 10 pages to 20 pages a day, take a half hour. What I'd like to do is I use this office right here as my educational tool. I listen to audiobooks all the time. That works better for me. But whatever you need to do is you need to work on yourself. Not only read, but take notes about what you're reading. See what you can do to help people. And that's all growing yourself through personal development. Just get better and better and better. Now, the next thing you need to do. All right, here we go. Now we're going to get into some good stuff. Is you got to put out valuable content. And some people say, where do I put out valuable content? Well, you can, if you have a blog, put out blog posts, YouTube videos you upload to Facebook Lives, and I'm a Facebook person. Content You know, people like the content on Facebook. Now, you can't spam people and put out links, but people like content on Facebook. What you do is put out entertainment, lifestyle, educational. That's what I do. And maybe a business post, but it's not a blatant business post. I don't name companies. I don't give links. I'll do that in some Facebook ads, but on a daily basis, I do not do that. I try to serve people and have people follow me. So that is cooler than cool. But make sure you're putting out content daily. And I would do Facebook Lives because that is the engine right now that really stirs everything. But then work on building your YouTube videos. That's my space right now, is I'm building on YouTube. And as mentioned earlier, is subscribe to my channel and click on that little bell so you get notifications so I can help you as you're building your business. The next thing when you're putting out your content is you got to work on building your network. And how do you do that? See, I use Facebook. So what I do is I go outside, I go in my niche, I go into some groups, I make comments on people's comments. Or I find other people's posts and I'll make a comment, I ask them questions, I pay compliments to them. I'm trying to stir a conversation up. And all I'm trying to do is build a little bit of rapport to build my network up. And I do that daily. I try to build a conversation up with 5 people daily. And if you're part-time, that's what you need to be doing. If you're full-time, you need to be connecting with 20 people daily. That's how this thing works. And it seems hard, but it really isn't. Just go be yourself. Use social media as the coffee shop where you'd meet people and talk to them. Now, as you're building your network, you have to learn how to engage your network. And you can do that through email, through videos, by going on their posts and making comments on their posts. That's what really starts doing. Put engaging questions out on your content. So guess what? They start answering you, and make sure you reciprocate by going and doing, making comments on theirs. So you're building your network and you're gauging your network. The third one is you have to learn how to, some people are going to say sell. Some people, I like to share. See, what I like to do is share free things, right, on a capture page, or send them somewhere to get a name and an email. And then what I do is I start building that relationship. Then I'm going to start offering products that I know can help them. Not goofy ones. I'm not out here, people see through you if you're trying to make money. I offer things that I know will help them. And that took a while for me to learn because I had this retail thing that I was trying to sell. So you're going to build, engage. If you don't like the word sell, use share. You're going to share knowledge to people. And a lot of that is worth through selling products. And learn to sell very quality products. And the last one is you need to follow up daily. Daily, follow up with people. Which means you might have to get on that little telephone, right? Which is a challenge. But if you're serving people, when you follow up, the biggest thing is how can you help them? And that's really what I do. That's the question I ask. How can I help you? You came on my website. I got your information. How can I help you? And I don't forget about people. I have a follow-up system that I'll follow up from people for 3 to 4 years. And the timing sometimes is right away. The timing is right 4 years from now. So, your daily routine is you need to build one. I didn't talk about exercise, but I do exercise every day. But again, my daily routine, and one that I think works for many people, is wake up in gratitude. Right? Be grateful for what you have. Start the day out by sharing what you're grateful for, because you want to open the doors for the universe to come in to give back to you. Then you start out with whether you do your affirmations first or you do your vision or meditation first. Sit in quiet time and pick the perfect day for you. Then you need to work on personal development. And I do it early in the morning because that's when I'm best. Again, you can read, listen to audiobooks. And then as that morning goes today, pick out a piece of content you can share, whether it's Facebook Live, Facebook posts, something on Twitter, LinkedIn, a blog post, a video put up on YouTube. And then with that content, right, you got to learn how to build your network, right? You got to build more people, talk to more people. Once you build your network and becoming friends with people, then you start engaging that network through your email or through comments on social media. And then you learn how to sell and share every day. Every day. See, if you're in here to make money, guess what? You got to be trying to sell every day. Then learn how to follow up, and you're off. That's your daily routine. That's actually what you need to be doing every day. And here's what I got for you today. I have a great PDF for you. The 6 daily action steps you need to be taking every day. I'll put the link below. It's free. All you got to do is put your name and email in, and you're going to get this free daily action steps for you in a PDF that you can follow. It's actually a checklist of the things you need to be doing every day. So cool. Go grab that. Click on that link below. Go grab that free 6 daily action steps and grow your business. And then please respond back to me and tell me what's going on. How is it working for you? How is it helping for you? And then how can I help you? Hey, y'all take care. We will talk to you again soon. Bye.